In the tri-state, 3 Hillsboro families are in mourning after an auto parts store explodes.
2 men and a teenager died. WCPO 9 News reporter Sean Delancey went back to Hillsboro tonight to see how that community is remembering them.
As the rubble of Jimbo's auto continues to cool, we are now learning more about the 3 people who died inside when the building erupted into flames, literally rocking this neighborhood. After the explosions echoed into silence, those who knew the 3 people killed inside of Jimbo's auto still find it hard to believe.
You're in so much shock, you don't really know what to think.
Mackenzie Ogilvy worked right next door to the shop at Larry's Party Supply for 7 years. She says the victims, Tim Furbee, David Beaver, and 19-year-old Cameron Boatman, were always stopping by.
They were always there. If I had a question, if I needed help, they would run over.
Boatman's mom, Crystal, gave us these pictures of her firstborn son. She was too emotional to talk on camera. Oglesby says he was very sweet.
He had the best manners. Please, thank you. He called me ma'am. I loved it. I said, please don't. I love that every day. Can I please have this, ma'am? Please, thank you, all the time. He was so kind.
As for the business, multiple times throughout the day, fire crews had to return to the scene and knock down flare-ups that had sparked the blaze once more. Between the spark-ups, fire marshals continued to search for a cause.
I'm lost for words right now.
And locals like T. Turner leaned on a higher power for strength.
You got to trust God, and that's all I can say.
In Hillsboro, I'm Sean Delancey, WCPO 9 News.
Tonight.